audience, those who are watching me, I would say first of all, good morning all. Those who are sitting here with me in the class and plus those who are watching me on the YouTube. As for my commitment, I have told you at least one video we must have daily for conversations. As many of you personally call me, send the message and demand, sir, please put one video at least for the conversation daily because it helps you to practice actually. And I agree with that also. I also think the same. When you get chance to listen, you are going to be strong to speak also there. So with the same, and the next video I have come today with my two students who are standing, one Silpi left of me silently, right, and thinking my number will come to speak. Miss Aditi Kumari, my student, left side Miss Silpi Kumari, and they are going to talk. And the purpose of this discussion is both for them also and for you also. Them means they will speak. They are also here with the purpose of learning. So they'll speak there. They'll try to do their best. They'll try to speak. While speaking, some mistakes are there. I'll do the corrections. And then you guys, especially those who are watching on the YouTube, keep listening. Listening will bring habit to your brain. And finally, in the long run, I confirm you that you will start speaking. We all are Hindi speakers. We all are speaking. We all means those who are from here. You might be watching from other states and you may not have the Hindi language there. So my concern is not that. My concern is the language where we live. And that language is spoken, right? Where we live and there, whichever the language is spoken, we know how to speak. And that's just because of two reasons. Reason number one, we listen. Give you a chance to listen. And of course, you can try after the class also. Well, so can we start? We are going to talk today. I hope I have not recorded and uploaded on the YouTube. Both are passengers. Both are passengers. And traveling in the train. Great. Suppose, Aditi, you are with a waiting ticket. You are in the train, traveling, going from Darbhanga to Mumbai. Because of some reason, you could not get ticket confirmed. But then also you are traveling. So you are in the train with waiting ticket. You have ticket but waiting. And sitting on the seat of Miss Silpi. Since you are sitting on her seat. And you're boarding, boarding? Boarding, do you understand? Whenever you get the ticket, so you have to mention there from which station will be boarding. Like it might be possible you book your ticket from Darbhanga, but you board from Samastipur. Understanding? So boarding station is there. That means where you will come into the train actually. So you boarded in the train at Darbhanga junctions and you are going to come in. You are going to come in the train especially at the Samastipur junction. So AC is already sitting on your seat and then you are coming. So if you come and then you get someone sitting on your seat, I don't think that you can be relaxed because you also need, you are going far. So now she's sitting and you are coming into the train. Do you all understand? Yes. Now the topic, oh hello. It is not for YouTube going on. You think it's for you also. So I should be every minute like this. Understand the last. Mobile should be in the pocket. It is not other than the class. It is the part of the class. Am I right? So can we start now with your permissions? And my dear audience who are watching. Hi, I'm talking to you. My friends are there, but I'm talking to the audience of the YouTube. In case you are watching first time, don't forget to subscribe. Am I right, Nafilpi? Don't forget to subscribe. You know why? You must subscribe. Press the bell icon also, so that when I upload any videos, you will get the notifications and you can have the benefit also. Okay, so don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Great. My speakers are here also understanding. Like, share and subscribe. Great. So now we can start. Action. Wait. Be a little bit close here. This side. This side. Ha. Come, please. Because now. Okay. So you are going to talk first. Forget. Don't say it. Sound will be out. Now.
Excuse me. Yes.
Sound.
Yes. This is my seat.
Repeat.
This is my seat.
इसलिए
That's why.
आप ये सीट छोड़कर जाएं.
Please you leave this seat.
या आप इस सीट को छोड़ के कहीं और जाएं.
Please leave this seat and you shift at another place.
Good. Aditi,
Yes.
answer her questions. You are sitting on the seat of other. She is telling you leave her seat and go somewhere. Go anywhere. बोलो मैम,
Ma'am.
ठीक है ये सीट आपका है.
Okay. This.
Speak loudly.
Okay. This seat is.
This is your
This is your seat.
लेकिन
But
आप देख सकती है ट्रेन में क्या कहीं पे जगह है?
you see.
आप देख सकती हैं.
You can see.
Hello, look at here. Repeat.
You can see
In the train.
in the train there.
क्या कहीं पे जगह है? क्या कहीं पे जगह है?
Wow.
Anyone can try, audience? हाँ. Is there any seat
Is there-
anywhere? Is there
Is there
any seat
any seat
anywhere? Repeat.
Is there any seat anywhere?
है या नहीं है?
It is or not. It is not my problem.
This is none of my business.
This is none of my business. It's
ये
your.
हाँ.
It's your problem. So you can manage and please leave my seat.
क्या आपको पता नहीं था वेटिंग टिकट वाले को सीट नहीं मिलता?
Do you?
क्या आपको पता नहीं था? हाँ.
Did you?
Not no.
Did you not know that?
आप अभी ट्राई करें. ये इनका कोई ड्यूटी नहीं है. For you also this is. क्या आपको पता नहीं था? It's a past tense. हाँ.
Did you don't know?
Did you not know?
Did you not know that is
The
that-
person having waiting
the
ticket
person having waiting ticket have no has not right
has no-
not right to sit
नहीं,
anywhere.
बैठने का राइट तो है. अगर खाली जगह है तो बैठ सकती है.
But
But he or she does not get confirmed seat.
But if the person who have not
Who has-
who has not
Who
confirmed
does not have फिर हो जाएगा.
who does not have confirmed ticket have no
उनके अपने सीट नहीं होते.
have their no
He or she
he or she has
does not have
their own seat.
her or his own
Seat.
जी, इसकी जानकारी मुझे है.
Yes, I know.
About this.
About this.
या मुझे इसकी जानकारी है. I have information. I have information of this. Repeat.
I have information of this.
Repeat.
I have information
Information.
of
Information.
this. Information.
कोई भी वर्ड में किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. घर पे उसको बार बार बोल के. मुझे डिपार्टमेंट बोलने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम था मुझे सीखने के बाद. साइकोलॉजी बोलने में मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम था. मैंने रिपीट किया वर्ड को. It is possible we can have the problem. So इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे है.
So I have information of this.
लेकिन
But
मैंने जान के वेटिंग टिकट नहीं ली हूँ. मैं नहीं ली हूँ. मैं नहीं ली हूँ. भीतरी में हम लोग I have not taken.
I have not. I have to not.
I have not taken.
I have not to taken.
मैं नहीं ली हूँ. तुम
I
नहीं
have
लगाना.
not taken
वेटिंग टिकट.
waiting ticket.
Knowingly.
No.
जानबूझ कर.
No.
Hello, you are busy with the phone. Change your seat. Come this side. You are getting my attention always there. Come, change the seat. I want to see you directly. हाँ. अब मैंने अपने एजेंट को बोला था कंफर्म टिकट देने के लिए. मैं अपने एजेंट को बोली थी. मैं बोली थी.
I tell you.
ऑडियंस, मैं बोली थी.
I was told.
मैं I had देखो मैं बोली थी. इट्स अ बेहतरी केस पास्ट टेंस. मैं बोली थी.
I had told
my
agent
द कंफर्म टिकट देने के लिए to give
a confirmed ticket.
लेकिन
But
उसने मुझे कहा.
his
हाँ, उसने मुझे वेटिंग टिकट दिया.
his
He
gift,
gave
he gave
me वेटिंग टिकट.
waiting ticket.
मैं बोली.
I told.
I said. वह बोला मैडम आप जाइए आपका टिकट कंफर्म हो जाएगा. यू कम प्लीज कम ना. हाँ. वह बोला.
He said.
मैडम आपका टिकट कंफर्म हो जाएगा.
Madam, your ticket is confirmed.
Can anyone translate the audience sitting there? मैडम आपका टिकट कंफर्म हो जाएगा. Wait, I'll come to you last. Anyone there? Your ticket will be confirmed. तो इसका मीनिंग हाँ इसका मीनिंग होता है आपका टिकट कंफर्म होगा. आपका टिकट कंफर्म हो जाएगा. Your ticket will get confirmed. Your ticket will get कंफर्म्ड। हाँ,
your ticket will
उसने
get
मुझे बोला,
he
he said to me,
he said to me
your
your
ticket
ticket
will
will
get confirmed,
confirmed,
लेकिन
but
नहीं हुआ। It
it
didn't।
it didn't.
मुझे इमरजेंसी है इसलिए मैं जा रही हूँ, नहीं तो वापस जाके मैं अपने एजेंट का बाल नोच लेती। हाँ, मुझे इमरजेंसी है।
I
I
I
have
have
an,
I have an emergency,
इसलिए
so
मैं जा रही हूँ।
I am
I am
going.
otherwise
Otherwise,
मैं वापस जाके अपने एजेंट से सवाल करती,
otherwise
मैं
come
वापस
back.
जाती।
I
I would go,
I
I would, मैं वापस जाऊंगा। I'll go back। मैं गया नहीं और समय निकल गया। I would go back कंडीशनल में हम आपको पढ़ाएं या पढ़ाएंगे। हाँ, I would go
would go
back
back
and ask the question।
and ask the question.
एजेंट लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं,
Agents are exactly
this.
like this.
उन पे कभी भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
Never trust on
We
them.
should never trust on them।
We should never trust on them.
अपने रिश्तेदार भी एजेंट होते हैं तो धोखा देते हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए।
In case
अगर आप अपने रिश्तेदार भी एजेंट होते हैं,
if our relatives are also be an agent, then they also cheat us.
इससे पहले मुझे किसी ने धोखा नहीं दिया था।
Before this, anyone had cheated me.
Before this, no one had
Bef-
cheated me।
Before this, no one had cheated me.
इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, प्लीज
So-
आप मुझे अपने साथ बैठने दे।
So I request you,
प्लीज आप मुझे अपने साथ बैठने दे।
please
You let
you
me
let me
sit
sit
with you
with you.
with a sound।
You let me sit with you.
देखिए मैम,
See, ma'am,
मुझे आप पे दया है,
I have kind on you.
मर्सी।
I have mercy on you. I have mercy for you.
लेकिन
But
ये 1-2 घंटे की बात नहीं है,
but it is not for 1 or 2 hours.
ये 2 दिन की बात है।
It is for 2 days.
आप भी डिस्टर्ब होंगी और मैं भी डिस्टर्ब रहूंगी।
You also get
You will also
be also get disturbed and me
You
also.
will also get disturbance।
You will also get disturbance and I also
Will get disturbance।
get disturbance.
मुझे तो ऐसे भी डिस्टर्ब होना ही है, आप सिर्फ एडजस्ट कर लीजिए। मुझे तो ऐसे भी डिस्टर्ब होना ही है। Anyway, I have to
had
get
to get
disturbance।
disturbance.
आप एडजस्ट कर लीजिए।
You adjust.
I'm sorry,
I'm sorry.
मेरे लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं है।
This is not possible for me.
आप एक काम करो, फुल
You do one thing.
गुड। क्या
What?
हुआ? आप मुझे तब तक बैठने दो जब तक टीटी नहीं आ जाता।
You
Let me sit
let me sit
by the time टीटी
TT
does not
come.
जब तक टीटी नहीं आता, you let me sit by the time a टीटी does not come। जैसे ही टीटी आता है,
With
as soon as टीटी comes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैं टीटी हूँ,
I am Titi.
आप अपना टिकट मुझे दिखाएं।
You show me your ticket.
yes, please show.
See,
Please see. Sorry.
it's okay।
It's okay, ma'am.
Repeat।
It's okay, ma'am.
आप बैठ जाओ।
You sit here.
Yeah.
Thank you।
Thank you.
आप अपना टिकट दिखाइए।
You show me your ticket.
हाँ, सर दिखाओ, एक टिकट दिखाओ। से दिस, ये तो वेटिंग टिकट है।
This is waiting ticket. Why are you sitting here? See,
नहीं, टीटी कभी नहीं बोलता वेटिंग वाले को यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो, चूंकि उसको राइट कहीं भी बैठ सकती है, वो पैसेंजर पे डिपेंड करता। मैं एडिट कर दूंगा। क्या आपको सीट चाहिए? डू यू नीड अ सीट?
do you need a seat?
Yes.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
अगर आप दे देते हैं तो बड़ा भला होगा।
If you give me,
इट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर मी।
if you,
इट विल बी ग्रेट।
it will be great for me.
क्या आप मुझे सीट दे सकते हैं? क्या आप मुझे सीट दे सकते हैं?
Can you give me a seat?
There is a charge. There is a charge for
That.
waiting
No,
ticket.
confirm. No, there is a charge. I'll give you a seat, but there is a charge।
There is a charge, but I will give you.
मैं आपको सीट दूंगा,
I will give you seat,
लेकिन
but
उसके लिए चार्ज देना पड़ेगा।
you
You have to give
you
me
have to give me charge.
कितना?
How much?
1000 ले लो।
You give me 1,000.
Sound, speak with the
You
sound.
give me 1,000.
ठीक है,
Okay.
तो आप मेरे साथ आओ, मैं आपको सीट देती हूँ.
You come with me. I will give you seat. I give you seat.
इनको बोलो थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you very much.
मुझे सीट मिल गया.
I
मुझे सीट मिल गया.
I got seat.
I got a seat.
I got a seat.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I am going.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
इट्स ओके.
It's okay.
आप जरूर जाएं.
Yes, please you go.
Thank you. Can you all clap for them? Well, Silpi, you can take your place. Great. So, dear all audience who are watching us, I hope you enjoyed the class listening and listen on daily basis and try speaking with the friends there also. If you are living nearby this Darbhanga from where you can come to class also, my suggestion will be better you come physically in the class. It will help you a lot. In case you are not, it's not possible for you to come then in such case no problem. Wherever you are, keep listening the video and try to improve also. Thank you very much. Goodbye. I meet you with the next video next time. Can we all clap for everyone? Yes.